Hi friends, this is Prabhakar Miryala. Welcome to my channel Conceptual Learning.
So, for the ray diagrams, we use convex lens as this type. So, this is the symbol used for convex lenses in ray diagrams. In the same way, this is the symbol used for representing the concave lens. This is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. So, we use these two symbols in the drawing of the ray diagrams for convex and concave lenses. So this is the convex lens and this is the optic center of the lens, which is termed as O, and this is the principal axis. This is the principal focus F2 and this is the center of curvature C2 or 2F2. In the same way, equal distances, this is the principal focus F1 and this is the 2F1 or C1. Here the distance between O and F2 and 2F2 are same. In the same way, O and F1 and F1 to F2, these distances are same. If you consider an object, the object will be placed in different positions. So first position వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇన్ఫైనైట్ డిస్టెన్స్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటాం. సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి బియాండ్ 2F2. ఇది 2F2 కాబట్టి 2F2 కి బియాండ్ ఎక్కడో ఒక చోట మనకి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెట్టొచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ పొజిషన్. థర్డ్ పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి ఆన్ 2F2. ఫోర్త్ పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి బిట్వీన్ 2F2 అండ్ F2. ఫిఫ్త్ పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి on F2 and the last and sixth position వచ్చేసి between F2 and O, optic center ki F2 ki madhyalo. So these are the 6 positions that we are going to discuss about the for the formation of images by the convex lenses. So first case, when the object is placed at infinite, so the rays which are coming from the object which is at infinite are parallel to the principal axis. So according to the first rule, the rays which are parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they passes through focus. So image is formed at focus, which is a point sized or highly diminished image which is real and inverted. So the characteristics of the image formed when the object is placed at infinity or image is a point sized or highly diminished, it is real and inverted image. Second case, when the object is placed beyond center of curvature or 2F2. So when the object is placed beyond 2F2, the first rule, that means the ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through principal focus, and the second ray which is passing through optic center and it is undeviated. These two rays are intersect at a point and the point of intersection is the position of the image. Here if you observe, these two rays are meet in between F1 and 2F1. That means when the object is placed beyond 2F2, image is formed between F1 and 2F1. If you observe the ray diagram, the image is inverted. That means it is the real image and the size of the image is less than that of the size of the object. That means image is diminished. So when the object is placed beyond 2F2, the characteristics of the image are image is real, inverted and diminished, which is formed between F1 and 2F1. And the third question, if the object is placed at 2F2, now the object is placed at 2F2, the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the principal focus, and the second ray which is passing through the optic center is undeviated. After refraction, these two rays intersect at 2f at the position of 2f1. That means when the object is placed at 2f2, image is placed at 2f1. It is the real and inverted image. If you observe the size of the image, it is equal to the size of the object. That means same size is formed. So when the object is placed at 2f2, image is formed at 2f1, which is real, inverted and same sized image. Now the fourth position, if the object is placed in between 2f2 and f2, that means between center of curvature and principal focus. If you observe the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it is passing through focus. In the same way, the second ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. After refraction, these two rays intersect beyond 2f1. So when the object is placed between 2f2 and f2, the image is formed on the other side of the convex lens which is beyond 2f1. If you observe the size of the image, it is more than that of the size of the object. Hence, the image is said to be magnified. It is inverted and real image. So, when the object is placed between 2f2 and f2, the characteristics of the image formed are, it is real, inverted and magnified image which is formed beyond 2f1. Now the fifth position, if the object is placed on f2 on the principal axis of a convex lens, if you consider the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it is passes through principal focus on other side. In the same way, the ray which is passing through optic center, it is undeviated. These two refracted rays of the refraction, they are parallel to each other. That means they will not meet. So if you produce them, they will be meet at infinite. So the image is formed at an infinite distance. So when the object is placed at 2f2, image is formed at an infinite distance on the other side. Now the characteristics of the image are, it is the real, inverted and highly magnified. Chala peddaga form avutundi, highly magnified, which is formed at an infinite distance. And now the sixth case, if the object is placed between f2 and optic center, that means the object is placed less than the distance of focal length. Focal length కంటే తక్కువ distance లో పెడితే అంటే f2 కి o కి మధ్యలో పెడితే, now the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it is passing through focus. In the same way, the second ray which is passing through optic center, it is undeviated. If you observe, the two refracted rays are diverging and అవి దూరంగా వెళ్తున్నాయి, so they will not meet if you produce it in the forward direction. Hence we produce these two rays in backward direction and they intersect at a point on the same side which is in between f1 and 2f1. So if you observe the intersecting point, it is above the principal axis, hence the image is erect image or upright image. That means when the object is placed between f2 and o, the image is visual image which is erect or upright, and the size of the image is more than that of the size of the object. That means this is the magnified image. So this is the only case for the convex lens in which the image form is visual. Remaining అన్ని కేసెస్ లో మనకి రియల్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి, బట్ when the object is placed between f2 and o, the formed image is visual, erect, magnified image.